Hello lovelies, product review day, and today I am reviewing this organic stevia sugar replacement. Now first of all, I'm not a big fan of sugar replacers, mainly because I try and get my sweetness from fruit or dried fruit. And you guessed it, they've got fibre. And the other thing is, I feel like these kind of products keep our sugar monsters alive. And while, I don't know about you, but I don't seem to be able to kill my sugar monsters, but at least we can render them dormant. Anyway, look, something like this is a stevia sugar replacement. So it comes from the herb stevia. And if you've ever tried it, it actually is sweet. And that little aftertaste that you get when you have something like stevia, it's the same in the fresh herb. Having said that, the herb stevia, the lovely green leaf that you would eat, and it's got the fibre and everything, it's very, very different from this. This is a highly processed product containing stevia extract and a lot of erythritol. Now, you will know erythritol if you've ever had any of those sugar-free chocolates and wondered why you spent the rest of the afternoon with a bloated belly and popping off like no one's business, because it's a sugar alcohol and that's what it does. Anyway, having said all of that, this is a much better alternative than saccharin and aspartame, which have links to cancer. So while I'm not a big fan, I know that sometimes some products call for it. There's going to be occasions when, you can't sweeten something with fruit. So this would be something that you would use if you absolutely had to. Okay, hope that helps. Have a great day.